Welcome back to the review section. So touching back on the article a little bit, the only people who seem to take issue with this trend of renewable energy are those who do so for social or political rather than economic or scientific rationale. Rationale.
Rational.
One such example would be Donald Trump suggesting that he would reinvigorate the coal industry in America. Now, the renewable energy industry is the only one who saw profit, and the coal and oil industries saw a 8% and 5% decrease respectively in the first quarter of 2020.
Well, US is not the only country that has a lot of coal within their system, I guess. Korea actually relies 40% of their power to come from coal and only 15% within renewable energy. And the latter is actually biomass, which actually is more problematic later in life. So there needs to be a lot of improvement when it comes to how we use our renewable energy and the way we can also cut down coal.
Biomass.
Biomass.
Why are fossil fuels considered to be so undesirable?
Well, I guess the main answer is that it's just bad for the environment. It adds to climate change, which is obviously bad for the environment. So I guess that's why many people would like to see more cleaner energy through country to country. And yeah, do you know of any other reasons?
Not really. Like, we need to reduce emissions. It's all about going green, as people say. The climate is changing too rapidly, so people are becoming more and more negative towards the use of fossil fuels. I know we need them to drive our fast supercars, but I don't have one of those. So yeah, I'm okay. I'm fully supporting the transition of renewable energy sources.
So like I mentioned before, here in Korea, we rely 40% on coal and 15% on renewable energy. But do you think that Korea investing into wind power, solar panel power would be a good investment for the future?
Definitely. As the article stated, wind power can produce about 40 times as much energy than we're producing right now. So it's only going to be beneficial for the economy and also for, well, the environment. So I think it's a really, really smart and good investment. What about yourself?
Well, I hope that we have good enough weather to power these structures, right? Like, I'm not exactly sure the windy areas of Korea, though you do see the massive windmills in Jeju Island as well as some other areas within Korea. And I guess there is enough push for them to operate these windmills. As far as solar energy, I wouldn't say Korea's sun is strong compared to some of the other countries, but hopefully it generates enough energy to one day power a large portion of Korea's electrical grid.
Right. Okay, well that does it for this unit, and we will see you in the next one.